Happy Saturday, everyone. My name is Kevin Tarr. I am an iOS engineer. I build apps for the iPhone and I write code in Swift. And today is day 8 of Algorithms in Swift. So today is a very, very special day. Um, very quick story. I had a friend that recently did an interview with a very, very big tech company, like gigantous tech company in Silicon Valley, one that everybody in this world should be familiar with. Um, I'm not going to say the name of the company, but those are your context clues. So let your imagination do the rest. Anyway, the problem focused on strings and order and duplicates, and I just thought that'd be a perfect problem to bring up in this series and solve it for you guys, and discuss alternative and interesting solutions to solve this problem as well. So we're going to get straight to it. Okay, guys. So our function states write a function that returns a string with each of its words reversed, but in the original order, without using a loop. So some examples could be my name, Kevin Tarr, should return niveK rraT. I'm an iOS engineer, should return this. I'm not really trying to pronounce this, but you see it. Hello world should return this as well. So you can see that the individual words are reversing, but the order of the words in the string are kept intact. So, normally with reversing, it has sort of a mirror effect where the word positions change and switch around. With this, we need to keep the order consistent with the way it was brought in, but just reverse the actual word. And this is actually, again, one of those problems that look scarier than they are. But this, stumped a lot of people in interviews. So in several interviews I've seen. So especially in this one that my friend did. So I'm gonna solve this really quickly. So we're gonna just call this reversed string. I'm gonna pass in a string. And what we're just basically going to do, and we can solve this in 3 lines actually. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to create an array. We're going to divide a string up into an array divided by spaces. Then we're going to map the array and reverse order the individual string. And then once we do that, we're going to return the array converted back into a string. Okay, and this is going to make much more sense when I write it, if you're a bit confused. So let words equal string dot components separated by then let mapped words equal words dot words dot map. Duh, I'm overthinking. And then going to map each element. We're going to map each element. Then we're just going to return this once we map each element. Joined separated string. Okay. So basically, this is again dividing a string by spaces and putting them into an array. See right here. If it cooperates. Yep, this is an array of strings. Then it takes that collection type, the array, maps each element of the array, and converts each element that's convertible to a string. Okay, so the spaces, it gets rid of the spaces, only keeps the actual elements that can be converted to a string, which are words. Then we take that array and join it together and divide the elements in the array, the words in the array, by spaces again. So it just, gives us our string back. So we're gonna do reverse string. I'm gonna put in, I'm gonna put in Kevin Tarr. And this should return niveK rraT, whoever that is. Oh, duh. the reverse, the most important part. There we go. Reverse. Trying to go through this too fast. There we go. String. Okay, reverse collections are recognized. So this is an important part, an important inflection point. When you reverse strings, they're known as a reflection, or not reflection, a reversed collection type, which is not necessarily a string, but it uses strings. It's weird under the hood typecasting that I can go in depth in a later video. But for now, just convert this to a string, back to a string, so it recognizes it as a string. And we should have our results clear now. Yep, niveK rraT. Okay, we found him. Whoever niveK rraT is, we found him. Okay, so now we can put in I'm an iOS engineer. And that should return this ugly string right here. Yep. And then we're going to do hello world. And that should return this. Yep. Okay. So this is, a pretty effective solution. If we really, really want to be clever and swifty, we could put all of this into one line. I could do that if you guys request it. I could put that in one line so you guys can see it. It's not as sophisticated and beautiful as some of the other one-liners in terms of appearance, but it does solve the problem. Thanks again, guys. Have a great Saturday. Have a great weekend.